If you're building an audience on Telegram and you're not monetizing it properly, you are leaving a lot of money on the table. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can actually fix this with the help of Tribute and how this will actually help you monetize your audience in 2026. So without further ado, let's hop straight into today's video. Let's go. Guys, so as you can see, I'm now on the official website of Tribute, so please make sure that you go to tribute.top. I only want to make sure that you go to the official website and not any other. So this is where you are going to be monetizing your audience in Telegram. So in this video, I'm going to tell you a little bit more about Tribute, why people are using it right now, and why it is actually so powerful. And then later on in this video, I will actually show you how it looks in Telegram. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so basically what Tribute is it's your all-in-one monetization tool built for Telegram creators. And literally over 70,000 people are using this right now to actually go and to monetize their audiences in Telegram. So people like traders, influencers, creators, so many different people are actually using this right now. Like bloggers, for example, are using this to actually go and to monetize their audience. And it's been growing really fast in the last couple of months because what it really does is it makes monetization easy, fast, and just plain simple. There's no complications. It's literally a very simple process to actually get your Telegram audience monetized. Okay guys, so I'm going to be discussing what makes Tribute a little bit different to most of your other monetization tools. So in this case, your audience never has to leave Telegram. So there are no external links, no complicated processes, and no third-party platforms. So literally, you can get your audience monetized and they don't have to leave Telegram at all. All of your links, all of your processes will be in Telegram. It's not complicated at all. They've simplified it so much, and it's actually there to boost your conversion rate. And because all of your audience can actually stay on Telegram, this means a less of a drop-off, a higher conversion rate, and then just a smoother overall experience. Okay guys, so I'm literally going to show you how to get started. So as I said before, you want to come to their official website and you literally want to click get started. Once you've done that, it will take you to a screen that looks like this. As you can see, it's a Tribute, monetize content through donations and subscriptions, and then you can open it in the Telegram app. So for this, you are going to need to download Telegram because it is a Telegram monetization tool. Once you've done that, it will actually take you to Telegram itself, and I'll show you how the screen looks in a moment. But let's talk a little bit more about Tribute. Okay guys, so this is actually really flexible because there is more than one way to actually get monetized and to actually get an income going. So as you can see, you can do it through subscriptions, you can do one-time payments, you can do donations, and you can even do the following. You can even sell courses, you can sell physical products, or you can even sell digital products, which I think is pretty cool because it makes Tribute really, really flexible for multiple different creators coming together and actually wanting to monetize their audience on Telegram. Okay guys, so now we are going to say open this in the app, and as you can see, say open Telegram. Okay guys, so you can see this is how Tribute will look. So if you actually want to go and search them on Telegram, you can do that as well. There is their username at Tribute. So you can see all of this. You can go and you can actually see some posts that they recently made. So you can send them a message as well. So what I've done is I've basically created 3 test groups. I'm going to show you that if I actually want to set up Tribute, how it works. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the Tribute chat and I'm going to click the button that says start monetizing. As you can see, it says in the middle right here, by launching this mini app, you agree to the terms and conditions. So we are going to say launch. So what it will then do is it will bring up the Tribute app that looks like this, which is actually pretty cool because it gives you a dashboard, gives you private chats. You can see your earnings right there, your payouts. You can tell it a little bit about yourself to start it up, complete your verification, and then you set it up. You can see subscriptions, donations, goals, digital products, and services, as I mentioned before. And this is actually really, really organized. And this is something that I absolutely love about Tribute, is that they keep everything organized so you can track every dollar coming in through Telegram, which I think is pretty cool. Okay guys, so how Tribute will actually work is it will take a 10% commission fee on transactions, and then it will take an 8% transaction fee on physical products. So that is basically how it works. You can use it completely for free, and then once you start making money, they will just take their 10% or their 8% depending on what you use it for. That is literally it. It's perfect for creators, influencers, traders, and everyone who want to monetize their Telegram platform. So if you want to go check them out, the link will be in the description. Okay guys, that will be all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss a single video we upload, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.